Well, hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a look at a simple projector screen. Now, why are we doing this? Well, we happen to have a Kodak Lumina projector that we want to use outdoors and project onto a screen. So we picked this up from this company called Mdbebbron. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but anyway, we got this, and it's supposed to be durable, and you can fold it and all that, and resists creases, things of that nature. It's a 120-inch diagonal screen, so it's 104 inches wide by 58 inches tall, and it will support a 16 by 9 aspect ratio from the projector, which is what we have. And it also, you can project it onto the screen, or you can project it from behind the screen. So we're going to give that a test. So let's take a look at what's in the bag here and find out what it's going to take to install. Nope. Installation instructions. Okay, it's got a whole bunch of hooks to hook it up. So you could actually hook this inside your house if you wanted to, using these hooks. Although I was reading somewhere where the only issue is when you do these hooks, they give you this two-sided tape, the sticky tape that's supposed to release easy, but my understanding is once you stick it to your wall, you might take off some of the paint. So I would be careful if you use it. If you can stick them onto like wood, maybe it'd be better, but they give you a bunch of the hooks, so you've got a lot of hooks to hook it up with. In fact, here's a second bag. And they give you 2 ropes. And I'm going to try to do this out here on this arbor using the ropes. But let's take a look at the screen itself. There it is. That's the projector screen. And it's pretty nice. It's got these grommets, and they look like they're like a brass-looking grommet. Hopefully they don't rust or anything. But it's pretty strong if I pull it here. And as you can see, the material, it's supposedly a natural polyester. I don't know what that means, but it does feel like polyester. So you might be able to see through it a little bit. I guess you can't, but the light definitely comes through. So we'll see how this looks when we go off and run the projector from behind. But there you go. Now let's go install it. Unless you want to let the screen touch the floor, we're recommending having 2 people install. Using the rope supplied, we first tied up the left side, tying first to the post and then again to the top left grommet. Then we strung the rope through all the left side grommets, alternating. Then, while pulling the screen straight down to get it tight, we tied the rope to the lower left grommet. And finally to the post. Have someone help here by holding the top left of the screen tight from the post. We repeated the procedure on the right side, starting at the top, pulling the screen tight on the top left to right, and then again at the bottom, pulling the screen tight both left to right and top to bottom. You can adjust the ropes to get the screen mostly square and the wrinkles out. Then, while it was still light, we turned on the projector, and as you can see, the screen doesn't look bad. Of course, at night, the picture on the screen looks great. We even went around back and told the projector to reverse the image, and again, the image looks pretty good as a rear projection screen. Only issue we had was we had the projector directly behind, and as you can see, the projector lens does show through a bit. Our projector does adjust for keystone, and we suspect if you angle up the projector, the issue would diminish. So while the supplied ropes worked fine, we wanted an easier setup and takedown solution. So off to the auto store to buy some bungee cords. Make sure you size them right, so there's a bit of pull on the screen. Now the ropes are gone, and we find it not only easier to set up, it lets us adjust the screen shape much easier. So if you're looking for a projector screen that won't break the bank and looks good, this model seems to fit the bill. Thank you for watching.